Hello guys, I'm Rahul and you are watching Rahul Quotes. So today's our topic is to find ASCII values of a character. तो start करते हैं. Hashtag include stdio dot h. तो कैरेक्टर को डिफाइन करते हैं CHAR करके एक कैरेक्टर डिफाइन कर दिया. फिर printf से अपन कैरेक्टर printf स्कैनर से जो है वो कैरेक्टर को इनपुट लेंगे. राइट, एंटर. scanf %C to store a character, and we use %C to address the character in C, right? And printf to display the result, the ASCII value of character CHAR character %C is %D. Because why we use %D? Because so to get the value in the form of integer we use %D, right? So comma C, and at the end return 0. Now let's run the program and enter a character. So B, the ASCII value of small b is 98, right? Let's run the program once again and write capital B. So the ASCII value of capital B is 66. So the ASCII value of capital B is 66. So in this way the program works. Thank you.